Hi Cubers, so here are my honest thoughts about this YJMGC Beta Maglev UV coated. The name is very long and the cube is very easy to use and I can get some subten solves with this easily, but the problem is it's very wavy or very miscompressed. I don't know what that word is that should be used with this. It's very hollowed when you do this. Masyado siyang ano, yun, it's too flexible, but while solving this, it can really pop in unexpected moments because it's too hollow. And even if you turn this compression system to the tightest setting, it will still have some lockups and popping issues. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok too. Popost ko rin naman to sa TikTok. Gigi Reyes and out. Bye, ciao, adios. Look at my Louis Vuitton t-shirts. Bye.